fog dito, guys. Look at there. The clown is here na. Already. Ayan. So, very fog. Here in Tagaytay. Look at there. Ay, patagilid! Gilid, gilid! Ayan. So, very fog. As in, fog na siya. Hindi na maklaro yung views. Kung gaano kaganda. Dahil so very fog. Look at there. That's a fog. See?
Ano yung dagat?
Fog po.
Ba? Dagat yan?
Hindi po.
Ano yung dagat?
Fog. Ayan, so very conscious yung fog dito, guys. That's the clown. For the birthday celebrant. Ayan, so look at there, guys. So hindi na makita yung views for a very beautiful views here in wag kayong wag kayong ano. Ayan, so kanina nakikita natin yung kagandahan ng views diyan. So ngayon, guys, wala kang makikitang gandang views kung hindi puro fog. Ayan. So, grabe yung fog for today's videos. For this afternoon kasi galing siya sa ulan. Ayan. So, grabe yung fog niya. As in, super fog. Look at there.
Asan nga ulit tayo?
Hindi na siya makikita yung daan. Sobrang fog.
Asan nga ulit tayo?
Ayan.
Tagaytay.
Tagaytay.
Tagaytay
So,
lang
very cold.
Wala kami sa Baguio, nasa Tagaytay lang kami.
Nasa Tagaytay lang kami, guys. How much there in the Baguio City? Oh my God.
Dahil parang Baguio City.
Yes.
Pero nasa ano lang talaga po kami.
So look at there. Kanina makikita natin yung kagandahan ng views.
Oh, yung nag-golf.
Nakikita natin yung golf. Yun na may naglalaro ng golf. At so very nice places, nice views here. But now, look at there. Look at there, guys. My God. So very fog. Ayan. Grabe ka fog. As in fog na fog talaga. Foggy. Ayan, o, diba? Look at there. See? Ayan, so we will go back there because the birthday is start now. Charot. Ayan, so look at there, guys. Grabe yung fog. Ayan. So grabe yung fog. Nagpayong lang ako kasi umaambon siya. Ayan, so look at there, guys. Oh my God. Hindi nyo makikita na yung daan dahil sa fog. Actually, guys, may araw naman siya pero hindi masyado clear yung sun. It's because the fog. At there. Ayan, oh. Look at there, the street. The street is not to see the charot. Di makikita yung kalsada dahil grabe yung fog niya. O, diba? Ayan. So, kanina kasi doon guys, makikita natin yung very nice na place. Very nice na views. But now, natambunan siya ng fog. And that's why. Oh my God! My umbrella is destroyed already. What the hell? Ayan, look at that, guys. Damo cannot to see that one because the fog. See? Ayan, so thank you so much. Shout out sa Team Georgina also. Oh, my daddy Deji. Shout out, daddy. I love you.